You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from Latin, from the law, from legal terms. Really, we'll be looking at how to say more interesting Latin expressions as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in English, there are at least two different ways of pronouncing it. Res ipsa loquitur. Res ipsa loquitur. It can also be said as res ipsa loquitur. Res ipsa loquitur. In classical Latin, it would sound more as res ipsa loquitur. Res ipsa loquitur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.